vacation this week. I'm taking care of the car lot and the trucking business, and I got a truck broke down over here. It was going to the landfill, got it broke down. It needs a fuel filter. We're going to go out there and take him a fuel filter and some fuel and see if we can't fix him up.
Truck driving mechanic school.
That's right. Fixing it on the side of the road. Put it right there, I guess. We're gonna try to get her back to the place. Hopefully she'll make it. This seems to be running all right now. We got some good drivers for NWTC. All right, we made it back to our home base here. Thanks to the quick thinking of the driver, we got that fuel filter on and fixed, and he helped us out to get us back on the road. So say thank you to all your drivers. You should appreciate every one of them. Y'all have a good day. Hit that like, hit that subscribe.